Portwell WADE-8214-Q870. Mini-ITX motherboard powered by Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors. Compact in size, powerful in capability for edge AI computing. WADE-8214-Q870 supports PCIe Gen5 by 16 expansion, which is ideal for high-bandwidth GPUs and AI accelerator cards. In addition, its dual DDR5 SODIMM slots support up to 96 GB at 6,400 megatransfers per second. With rich industrial I/O interface, WADE-8214-Q870 delivers exceptional connectivity for various market applications. For diverse industrial computing, WADE-8214-Q870 delivers scalable performance and connectivity for next-gen embedded systems. For more solutions, contact Portwell.